Christmas came early this year. Get it? Chris? Christmas? Yeah, you're right. Never mind. Alright. So I got this letter. Thank you, Facebook. Let's give it a read. Dear Chris, we are so excited to have you join Facebook. We hope you enjoy these welcome goodies. We'd love for you to introduce yourself to your fellow interns and us in the intern group. Share a photo in your new shirt, let us know what you're listening to with your new speaker, or both. We cannot wait to see you soon. Shouldn't have read the letter first. Start with the shirt. Obviously, that's what you guys want to see first. Facebook Intern 2019. Let's give her a put on, huh? All right, let's get into the rest of this package. Love it. And here is the speaker. It says Facebook Intern on it. Oh, and it's an alarm clock. Nice. Thank you, Mark. Thank you. How do I, battery it? We're gonna give her a listen. Oh. Here is the speaker I am working with. Very thoughtful. I got a little bag here with the auxiliary cables. Let's see how this baby works, huh? This really feels like my first time using a speaker. Hey Mark, if you're watching this, thank you. On a real note, guys, though, it is really cool that the company, Facebook, and I know other big tech companies do this, but it is really cool to receive gifts before your internship, because who knows if people even drop out of the internship before they even go. So it's really thoughtful for these companies to actually send out, who knows, maybe like 1,000 of these speakers and these t-shirts to upcoming interns. It's a little housewarming gift type thing. On the first day, everyone's gonna be wearing this shirt, huh? Pretty fashionable, yeah. I would say that nobody wore it better. I haven't seen anybody else wear it. I'd say you guys have to agree too. We're using the speaker right now with my laptop. We're gonna play some music. How do you turn this thing up? All right, man, I'm out of shape. From me to you, Facebook, Mark, everybody else, thank you. I am very excited for this 2019 summer. As an intern, we're gonna do big things together. Until next time, guys.